Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. We're in Subway Surfers Miami, and I am so excited because you know summer is coming up, and I know the 4th of July is coming up, but I haven't got this board yet, so it will have to wait. So let's just take this on the course with Nick and his flamingo. It's not pretty much, but you get the picture. I was gonna do it Thursday, but I don't know. And I was gonna do it Saturday, but I had to go to this event, so. Alright. Just focusing, focus. Alright. Well, so far we have been to Rio, Miami, well, actually it was Rio, Atlanta, Venice, San Francisco, Zurich, Bangkok, Seoul, Dubai, and now Miami. So there's like lots of editions each. And I promise I'm gonna get like 30 weekly hunts. I didn't get the super mystery box from Dubai. It was kind of too late, so. Now, what do you think about summer? Are any of you guys planning to do something this summer vacation? Well, definitely not for me because I'm working like several days every week, but I won't be working this coming Thursday or Friday though, because you know the 4th of July is coming, and all I want to do is like watch the dogs so they won't get like freaked out. But I know one of the dogs that I was babysitting with, she'll probably have to go back to her owner afterwards. So it's like almost the whole month, and I know it's the end of June, so oh, haha, didn't know I had to let that one there. I wish I would love to go to Miami someday. But I would love to go to the Meadowlands in New Jersey, because they're gonna have this big mall in November. It's called the American Dream Meadowlands. And it's hopefully gonna come out this November if they don't get it delayed. And hopefully in 2022, I'm gonna go to the American Dream Miami, which is planned to open in like 2022. So I gotta make sure I have to get things ready, because Miami is a long flight, and I really love this. It has like 80s vibes, so it's like I'm gonna sing this Rick Astley song. I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Did I get you guys rickrolled? Okay, I'm done. Well, alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And hopefully it'll be much more cooler if I like unlock some more stuff. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.